Coverage of Hanna continues here on the Weather Channel. Now, your local on the 8s.
Currently, the temperature is 70 degrees with heavy rain. A wind advisory and a flood watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, rain ending early, windy at times, low 62, north-northwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour, diminishing to 10 to 20 miles per hour. And on Sunday, mainly sunny, high 80, winds northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Sunday night, clear skies, low 57, winds west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And on Monday, mainly sunny, high 81, winds west-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Hurricane Ike is again a major hurricane. It's already forcing the evacuation of the Florida Keys. We'll detail its track and let you know what you can expect.
And Tropical Storm Hanna hurries up the East Coast. After making landfall early this morning in North Carolina, Hanna is dumping heavy rain from Virginia to Maine. Thanks for keeping it tuned to Weekend Weather Center. A pleasure to have you aboard. I'm Dave Schwartz along with Ebony Dion, and we are tracking two tropical systems.
Yeah, and of course, Hanna has made for a mess up and down the east coastline. We'll talk about the flood threat and Hanna's impacts through the night coming up. But let's first take a close-up look at Hurricane Ike, which is now a Category 3 system, winds up to 115 miles per hour, and it's heading off to the west-southwest. That general motion is expected to continue within, say, maybe the next 24 to 36 hours. So moving at about 15 miles per hour, and it's located 135 miles east of the Grand Turk Island, where hurricane warnings are now up. I'll show you the latest track of Ike, and we'll take a detailed look at the watches and warnings coming up. But let's first take a look at Hanna. Dave?
And Ebony, you know that Ike is the scary one. Hanna is kind of a garden variety.